Good morning, friends. Let's take a look at our morning message for today. Are you ready to read with me? Here we go. Let's start right at the top. Good morning, kindergarten rock stars. Today is Wednesday, December 2nd, 2020. We are so happy you are watching today. Please read these words. All right, read them with me. Red, white, go, see, like, see, me. Great job. All right, now I'll write the middle sound for each of these while you guys help me with it. Okay, so we want the middle sound for these words, these pictures actually. Okay, so remember how to figure out that middle sound? We break it down with our bodies. So that middle sound will be our cheek. Okay, so the first picture here is pig. So we're going to break it down. We're going to start at the top. And for every sound, move your hands. Pa, I. That's the middle sound. What sound is that? I. The letter I. You are right. So I'm going to put an I there. Whoops. Move it up. Oh, maybe that's not going to work that great. Ooh. Okay, that's okay. This is a cup. Cup. Okay, we're going to break it down. We'll stop right here so we can hear that middle sound. K, What sound makes the U does. You're right. So let's put a U. All right, last picture. We have a bat. Let's break down those sounds to find out what that middle sound is. You ready? Here we go. Ba, ah. What sound makes that ah? A. Great job, you guys. All right, so we have I, U, and A. Those were our middle sounds. Great job. All right, let's take a look at this here, kind of what we have done with our math. So we want to find out which one is less, okay? Which jar has less in it? So how are we going to do that? You're right, we have to count. So remember to, when we count we're going to count buttons. But as I count them, I'm going to put a little line on them so that I know I counted them already. All right, so you guys count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do I have there? You're right, 6. I'm going to put a 6 there. I'm not very good with a computer making a 6. I bet you could make a better 6 than that. All right, now let's count how many buttons are in this jar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. You're right. Little line, little curve, little line on top. All right, so we want to know which is less. Which is the smaller amount, the 6 or the 5? 5 is smaller. 5 is a lesser amount, so we're going to circle the 5. Wonderful, boys and girls. And the very end here, love Mrs. Cool and Miss Pam. Wonderful. Let's keep going. Our letter of the week is the letter I, makes the I sound. Getting rid of my pen here. And we need to count, we said, to 50 this week. All right, so I'm going to put that there and bring my arrow way up here. And I want you guys to count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Great job, boys and girls. Let's take a look at our countdown from 20. Grab my arrow here. Start at 20. Count with me, guys and gals. Ready? Here we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off to the moon. Wonderful. All right. Today you're going to be making an ABC pattern with a chain. Miss Pam has a video to show you, but let's practice one right here. Are you guys ready? Let's do gingerbread, Santa, candy cane. Okay, gingerbread, Santa, candy cane. We'll continue that pattern. Gingerbread, Santa, candy cane. Gingerbread, Santa, candy cane. Wonderful job. All right, let's take a look at our sight words. You guys are doing fabulous at these. All right, brown, brown, black, black, orange, orange, red, red, gray, gray, am, the, blue, blue, at, can, whoops, whoa, can, go, is, like, see, me. Great job. All right, let's take a look at our activities. We've got some fun activities for you today. So first of all, we're doing that rhyming activity we did yesterday on Zoom. All right, so the gingerbread boy has a picture. You need to find the matching, not the matching picture that rhymes with that particular picture. You give it to the gingerbread girl, and then you do all 5 slides, and then send it to me, okay? So I can see your great work. We've done them, so you practice them. If you're not sure about them, maybe even ask a parent or grandparent before you start sending some things, okay? Make sure your stuff is correct. All right, this is just practicing your sight words. We've done this a couple different times. A couple of you guys, we've done it on Zoom. So you're just going to underline each one of these and say it. So you're going to say the sight words like, me, see, me, like, see. So after you go through the whole thing, then you color it, the apple on the bottom. Then you do a different color. So then this one we did red next. Then you go through them all again. Then you color that apple red. Then you pick a different color. So this time she did it in yellow and went through. So make sure you go through them 3 times. The more you say them and look at them, the faster you're going to learn your sight words. And you see sight words all over in books. They're over 50% of the words that are in books, okay? So we want you to know those. And then this is kind of what we've been doing yesterday. So what you're going to do is you're going to count how many are over here in this spot, you know, for cups. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you have to draw 1 less. So if they have 6 here, 1 less, you would just cross that out and then you can count them and then make that here, okay? So 1 less is 1 smaller. So there would be 5 cups, okay? So do all 4 pages and then send it to me, okay? Last, but certainly not least, Mr. Hoovy sent us some music activities. So you're going to tap on the frogs and you're going to hear different stories and different songs with that have a marching beat. So that should be lots of fun. I think these are all your music teacher. There's Mr. Hoovy sliding through the sky on a sled. I think, doesn't that look like him? I think so. All right, so our videos for today, you're going to have a math video 4.3. And when I was taping it, it kind of shut off. It only let me go for 15 minutes. So the last part, I wasn't able to get onto that video, but take a look at the directions, have a parent look at it, and make sure that you do it correctly, okay? And then our handwriting for S and A, that's what we're doing for handwriting today. Miss Pam is showing you how to make an ABC Christmas chain. So you'll make a beautiful Christmas chain. Maybe you can hang it on your tree, or maybe you can hang it in your window, wherever. Okay, so make sure you listen so you know exactly how to do it, because you're making a pattern here. And last but certainly not least, we're going to have a gingerbread man story. Every day we're going to listen to a different story about the gingerbread man. All right? I'm super excited to share those with you. And for Zooms today, you won't have any small group Zooms. You're going to be doing individual Zooms with Miss Pam, so that the people that are on Wednesday, let me just quick peek. Who is, I don't know if I have my sheet here for you. Oh, I do. These are my friends for Wednesday. Okay. Neymar is 8:30, Shania 9, Nelvin 9:30, Eva at 10, Raina is at 10:30, Sophie is at 11, Roslyn is at 1, Gabriella is at 1:30, and Lexi, you are at 2 o'clock today. So those are the friends that are Zooming with Miss Pam today. And make sure you get on the time that you need to get on. You have to look for Miss Pam's link on the seesaw. Okay? There's Mrs. Cool's links, but you need to look at Miss Pam's link. Okay? She sent it yesterday. All right? So look for that and make sure you pop on at your right time. Okay? And last but certainly not least, go on to your iPad apps and do some, let me grab all those. These are all great apps. So you pick which one you want to go on. You guys have been on them all before. So you pick which one is going to work best for you guys today. And then spend a little time on that. And last but certainly not least, have a wonderful day. So be sure to get on your individual Zooms today. Make sure you send in some work. And if you have any questions, just message me on Seesaw. Or you can leave me an audio message. So that means that you just push the microphone and say something, and I get that message so that I can help you with whatever you need help with, okay? All right, boys and girls, have a great day.